are at an animal conference here in Denmark, Copenhagen, with my friend Mikkel. You can see him in the background. And let's say hello. Hey Mikkel, can you say hello to my fans?
Hi.
Hi, my friend Mikkel. We are in Copenhagen Animal Conference.
Yes.
Yes, you can see the banner. Animal liberation. Yeah. See you later.
Hi.
And Mikkel is going to speak. Yeah. Delicious vegan food. I'm looking forward to it.
Thanks. Wow.
Åh, hvor er det fedt det her.
Ja. Det ser sejt ud.
Jeg gør det ikke. Hej Mikkel skat.
Hej, så er vi klar.
Yeah. This is so cool. Support Animal Liberation Front. And a lot of shirts.
Ej, sådan en kunne jeg godt se.
Yeah, that defend.
Vil den passe godt?
I just bought this hoodie. I love it. Animal Liberation. It's cool. Yep. Going back to my friend Mikkel, and we are soon going to eat some delicious vegan food. Ciao.
Har du taget et billede af maden, skat?
Ja, jeg laver lige en video hurtigt. Delicious vegan food. Smile. Hi honey.
Hej.
Vegan food. Delicious.
So good.
Yes.
This is salt. But I use also the other salt before because I don't want it. I give a word to
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.